बंदर विस्फोरण और ड्रोन द्वारा आक्रमण घटना पर पुणी घटी बड़ घटना। जम्मू सेना शिविर उपर उड़ी ड्रोन। जम्मूर कालचुक छाउनी उपर ड्रोन भली किछि जिनिस उड़ुथुबा देखिबाकु मिलिछि। भोर 3टा बेले एही जिनिस उड़ुथुबा देखिबाकु मिलिबा परे एहाको गुली करी खसाई दैछन्ति जवान। प्राय 20 रु 25 राउंड फायरिंग होईछि। एहार संपूर्ण अंचल रे सर्च ऑपरेशन जारी करा जाईछि। पाकिस्तान पटु ड्रोन आसिथिबा नै संदेह करा जाउछि। लगातार 2 दिन धरी दुईटी सेना प्रतिष्ठान को टार्गेट करा जिबा परे वर्तमान अलर्ट रे समग्र अंचल। प्रथमे वायुसेना अधीन रे थिबा विमान बंदर पर स्थल सेनार शिविर उपरे ड्रोन उड़िबा परे बढ़िछि सुरक्षा बाहिनी पई अधिक चैलेंज। आतंकवादी माने सब ड्रोन व्यवहार करिथिबा संदेह करा जाउछि, जहा चिंतार विषय निश्चित। तेबे एभली टेक्नोलोजी को काउंटर करबा को कोन रहिछि प्रस्तुति आसंतु जानिबा। सीडीएस विपिन रावत को भेटिछंती सीएनएन न्यूज 18 रो सीनियर एडिटर डिफेंस श्रेया ढोंडियल।
Rawat, thank you very much for speaking to us here on CNN News 18. First things first, is India and the Armed Forces of India in the process of acquiring anti-drone technology that it seems is more important than ever before now?
Well, we have always stated that we have to now start preparing for future generation warfare. Drones, swarms and other such elements will change the very nature and character of warfare. We are quite concerned about drones being applied in this domain, and therefore we have been continuously working on countering drone technology, and you will be happy to know that our own DRDO has made some success and have demonstrated their capability to counter these drones. So this is moving at a fast pace. As far as the services are concerned, now that we are working in a joint and integrated manner, Army, Navy, Air Force are also working on countering this drone technology. But finally, we have taken a call that Air Force should become the lead agency in looking at coordinating all the effort in evolving how we will be countering drones in the future. So I think this drones being used in warfare is something that we will witness in larger numbers in future, not just drones but swarms also. We have seen this capability with our adversaries, and this is something which we are preparing for. And the manner in which DRDO is now progressing, we are quite confident that DRDO, along with some of the other civilian agencies, including our academicians, like the academia, that IITs, we are all working together to ensure that we are able to counter this threat in the earliest time frame.
Sir, would you say that India is playing catch up? The fact is that over and over again across the world, we've seen drone swarms being used by terror organizations, even professional armies against enemies. Do you think India is a little late to the game, not just in acquiring drones but also anti-drone technology, sir?
No, we have acquired drones in large numbers. We are also looking at acquiring very modern, sophisticated drones that are available in the world market. But at the same time, I think our own drone technology is also evolving. It is not an easy technology because basically, we are lacking the technology for manufacture of engines for our aircraft. So I think that way we are moving in the right direction. And to say that we are running behind schedule, no, we always were aware that drones are the future of warfare. And if drones are the future of warfare, we must also acquire drones as combat systems. But at the same time, we've also got to develop technology for countering it. World over, they are trying to work on this technology. Not everybody has this technology available to them. And our focus on indigenization, we want to see if we can develop our own systems. And to that extent, we have partially succeeded. I am quite sure that this process will now be hastened up, especially in the wake of what things have happened recently.
So my last question to you, all over the world, not just in India, drones are a concern. But what is also a concern is the fact that there are so many types, the technology is constantly evolving. Can any army or nation be completely always prepared for these drone attacks, or by its very nature, is it something that will always have an element of surprise?
See, you have to depend on technology because to defeat such systems, you will have to use technology because after all these systems use the electromagnetic spectrum, And anything that uses electromagnetic spectrum needs to be countered in the same manner. So we are devolving, one is of course physical destruction of drones, which is also possible, but not a very easy solution because these drones are very small systems which cannot be detected by radars. So you have to have physical surveillance over the entire space, particularly your bases where you feel you are vulnerable. But I think more important is to develop electronic technology that will help you in bringing down these drones, and that is where I think our DRDO is putting its effort.
General Rawat, thank you very much for speaking to us. Thank you.
Thank you.